Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's look, we're doing this purple lilac kind of look. I really don't know what to call it, but I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise Rumor Shade 3, and this one is a lot closer to my skin tone than the other P. Louise base that I use. So now from the Be Perfect Cosmetics XL Pro palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Reckless on a Morphe M562, and I'm going to keep this really rounded and focused just in the crease as well as the inner and outer corners. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of doing like wiggly kind of motions because I really do want to keep that shade concentrated only in the crease. I do want to keep it rounded, so I'm kind of just barely going around the edges very lightly. Here I'm using a Morphe M456, and I'm just going around the edges and just very lightly blending that. I'm not adding any more product. It just kind of tends to turn more pinkish as you blend the edges out. Now going in with the shade Persuasion, I'm gonna go right above that other shade that we applied, and then I'm going to take it a little bit higher towards the brow bone, but still keeping that rounded shape. So to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the P. Louise Ibiza base, and this is from the Acid Rain collection with Mitchell. And I didn't really edit this part too much, just so that you guys can see the process of a cut crease. It does take some time, but just make sure that you kind of have like a sharp brush, and yeah, just use the tip of the brush mostly for cutting. And then I'm going to go in with that first shade, and I'm going to apply it to the outer V. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Orchid, and this is just a really pretty lilac shade. And then to cover my lash band, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. I really like this liner, guys, so you should give it a try. And this is the J Lash Lashes in the style Nadia. So moving on to the face, I'm going to go in with my current favorite primer, and this is the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. And this primer does pair very well with the MAC Fluid Fix Foundation, so I'm just going to apply that with my new favorite beauty sponge, and that is the e.l.f. sponge. It's just really soft compared to the Real Techniques sponge, so I have been loving this one lately. It's very soft and it doesn't absorb up a lot of product, which I love. So for today's highlight, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cookie. I have also been really loving this concealer lately. It's amazing. I gave it a second shot because I didn't like it the first time I tried it, but it's really taken place of my Tarte Shape Tape, which is crazy because I love that concealer. Then I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer, and I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakery translucent powder, also another really good product. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer to bronze up the face. So for today's lip combo, I'm going in with the MAC Cork Lip Liner and the ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Parker. I've been loving this lip combo lately. The ColourPop lipstick is super comfortable. And that completes today's look, you guys. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And while you're here, you might as well subscribe. So yeah, I hope you guys liked, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.